Hello Beauty Over 50 crowd. Today I'm excited to share with you a beauty haul. Actually, it's not my beauty haul, it's my daughter's. She just returned from a really exciting adventure in South Korea. She was completing an engineering intern in Seoul at one of the universities there. And not only was it exciting for her to go on this adventure, but it was quite a connection with me. When I was younger, my family lived in South Korea for 3 years. My dad had a contract there, so we lived in the southern part of South Korea for 3 years, and it's really stuck as a huge part of my life, a wonderful part of my life. And although my daughter's experience in Seoul was quite different from my experience all those years ago, it really is a nice connection of sharing stories and experiences of such a wonderful country. So when she arrived back, she opened up her suitcase and started showing us some of her souvenirs and gifts that she had collected for us along the way. And last but not least came out this green bag, and I'm excited about sharing it with you. Here it is. This is the lovely green bag from Olive Young, where she visited, and let's just dive in and see what she bought. One of these is for me. She actually bought me a bunch of cosmetic stuff, but this is the stuff she actually bought from Olive Young. This here, you might have heard about this. This is the VT Cosmetics Reedle Shot. This is a mask. It comes in different levels. 100 is, sort of for the more sensitive skin. It's sort of the starter level. It has like micro spicules that when you rub it on your skin almost causes some intense exfoliation, so that when the products go into your skin, they're very easily absorbed. This comes with the serum, which you put on first, and then a mask. Place the mask on and just chill out and relax while this will be absorbed into my skin, and I will have hopefully some bright, glowy, dewy skin after this. I can't wait to try it out and let you guys know how it goes. Exciting! Next up, sunscreen. She bought quite a bit of sunscreen, I believe, while she was there. This one is Beauty of Joseon. Relief Sun and Rice Probiotics SPF 50. I know she had heard great things about this product and thought she'd give it a try. I think it's pricier than some of the other sunscreens, but I'm looking forward to hearing from her on how it feels on her skin underneath makeup. Let's take a look at the packaging. Really beautiful, very sort of simplistic, sort of modern look to the tube. I love it. We'll see how it goes. I don't want to open it up. I don't think she's opened it yet, so I'll leave that up to her. I did get her permission to do a video on her haul. I said, "Can I do a video on your green bag there?" She said, "Sure, go ahead." So this next one is also sunscreen, okay? This is a lot more cost effective, and she had heard great things about this as far as a very cost effective sunscreen. It comes in a pack of 3 here. It's by Round Lab, and I should have worn my glasses because I'm trying to look for the SPF. It's called Round Lab Birch Juice Moisturizing Sunscreen Triple Set, and I'm still trying to locate on the packaging here the SPF. Actually have the drawer right here where I keep my my trusted magnifying glass. Okay, now I will be able to tell. Yes, SPF 50. It's SPF 50. So that's terrific. Pack of 3. Let's open this up and see what the packaging looks like inside. There it is. Looks like somebody sitting near the water beside a birch tree. I guess that's where we get our birch juice moisturizing sunscreen connection there. So again, looking forward to my daughter's review on that, see how it works, how it applies on her skin, how it works under makeup, over moisturizers and all that sort of thing. Okay, next up, let's see what we have. More masks. They're all, we've got lots of different masks here. Let's see. All of these masks are by a company called Mediheal. She's got the Rose PDRN mask, the Ceramide mask, and she has 2 of each of those. So maybe she's planning on a mom-daughter night in where we can try on some of these masks. And finally, Hyaluronic, the Hyaluronic mask here for hydration. And there's one more mask here, and I believe this is a very popular one. She bought a box of them. Madecassoside mask. I believe this is helpful for blemishes as well as, reducing redness or sensitive skin. So this one here, I believe, is a pack of 10. So hopefully she'll share one of those with Mama as well, and I can report back to you. So that's her haul. I'm really excited. I think she picked out some wonderful masks that I know are quite popular. I've looked up some YouTube videos about people and their Olive Young hauls, what they purchased. She also came back and had bought me some other fun beauty skincare products. They weren't from Olive Young, they were from somewhere else, but I will go ahead and do a video on those after I've given them a try, and I can report back on the formulation and what I thought. But until then, have a great day, and please let me know in the comments below if you've tried any of the cool products from Olive Young. Have a good one. Bye.